Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, solved, slmgr is not recognized as an internal or external command. Type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Type slmgr space, -rear m. Error displayed: slmgr is not recognized as an internal or external command. Open File Explorer. Click Local Disk C. Click Organize drop-down menu. Click Folder and Search Options. Click View tab. Uncheck Hide extensions for known file types. Click Apply, OK. Click Windows. Click System32. Search slmgr. Select slmgr.bbs.removeabut. Right-click, rename. Delete removeabut. Click Yes to continue. Close File Explorer. Command completed successfully. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.